Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at a new game I'm making. More specifically, we're going to be looking at the game engine that powers it. We are not going to be diving into the specifics of the game, but basically, here we are inside the game engine, and we have got the Suzanne monkey head. You might recognize this. It's a little bit messed up, and that has to do with some quirks of the engine. Might talk about that in the future, but basically it's a complex model, and my game is having a hard time parsing it. So yeah, it's all the rendering is done on the CPU actually. The GPU is only used for rendering triangles. It's using SFML, and I wrote my own math library to do all the calculations for this. Yeah, and it's using binary space partitioning, which is why you have some weird artifacts here, which is due to the splitting algorithm that I'm using. But yeah, it works pretty well, and for a less complex model, it's basically unnoticeable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and load up a map from another game I made called Wampet Invasion, and if we reload this, we can now see that we are in the game level, and this is less complex than the monkey model, but it's still a fairly complex game. You know, we got some staircases, we have lots of triangles here, and yeah, it's hard to tell, so there's a little art factor here. It's hard to really tell though. It's pretty much good enough quality if you're not looking into the nitty-gritty. So yeah, and the rendering order works perfectly. We can see we're going around this corner here. We're not seeing any other parts of the level. We're just seeing the part that we're in at the current moment. And yeah, we got some more complex triangles here. No artifacting going on there. So yeah, it works pretty well. And yeah, the plan for this is to make a sort of a bunny hopping simulator. I'll talk more about that in the future, but yeah, I'm super proud of this 3D engine because it's sort of an iteration on the last project I made like this, which is called Demise, which is also a CPU 3D rendering engine. However, it was only pseudo 3D. It wasn't actually full 3D. This one is full. Oh, we have a little bit of an error here, but yeah, this one is actually full 3D. So I have the full pitch and yaw, and the projection works no matter what. And yeah, so it works amazingly. And I finally figured out how to make a binary space partition compiler, even though it's got some flaws, but it works pretty well. And in a perfect universe, you know, where floating point numbers were good, this would actually, where floating point numbers were 100% accurate, this would most certainly work. I just have to work around the limitations of that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can have a look at the 3D rendering here. But yeah, that's about it. I'll probably be making some more videos about this in the future. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.